beings, humans, whatever you'd like to be called. Welcome back to Under the Willow Tree. I'm Elizabeth, and today we are making breakfast sausage links. The only thing that I think of when I think of sausage is the Vine meme. I'll play a little bit here.
Everybody say sausage, keep it going. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage.
So we're kind of making that today, except it's meatless, obviously by the title. It's protein-packed, flavorful, packs a punch of sweet yet a little savory, and it's only 9 ingredients. So if you want to know how to make this, please keep watching. So getting out a food processor, you're going to add in the oats, some salt, some mustard seed, garlic powder, allspice, and then you're just going to process that until it becomes a flour-like texture. And then you're just going to add in some cooked lentils, as well as some molasses and a little bit of maple syrup. Then again, you're going to process that until it becomes a soft dough. I decided that it needed some caraway or fennel seeds, work fine to give it that more meaty taste. And then you're going to take about a tablespoon or two of the dough, and you're going to roll it out until it becomes like a sausage link. You could also do patties here if you prefer. And then you're just going to set it on the baking sheet and then continue that for the rest of the dough until it's all gone. Then you're going to bake that at 400 for 15 to 17 minutes. They should look something like that. And then this is optional. You can get out a skillet and add some coconut oil and maple syrup. And then you're just going to add in the sausage links once that's all melted and just saute it until each is coated and it becomes like a caramelized texture over it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video under the willow tree with me.